Hello there, further friends. I know it's been a while. I'm going to try something slightly different that I've never really done before. I'm going to do an actual unboxing slash unwrapping video because I have a package here that I'm trying not to show my address on from River Island. I bought a new pair because I have a problem and I just can't stop buying pairs of these trousers that I like to buy. So these were recommended to me by Chris, who is my friend online, and I will link to him. I don't know if some of you might already know him if you run in the same circle as I do, but some of you may not. But I will link to him in the description somewhere. But I'm going to unwrap them for you and possibly try them on, and hopefully I haven't made a huge mistake and I've gotten the sizing and everything right. Let's see how hard these are to open. Oh, not too difficult actually. I have scissors on hand in case. Okay. So, glad I came wrapped. So it's my first time seeing them as you guys are seeing them, so I don't know how to open them. Interesting material. So they got slightly smushed and being transported. So it looks like. Yeah. This is my new pair. Hopefully they'll fit me okay. Looks like they use I forget what the term is, the catch instead of a button fly. But yeah, I got these from River Island. I guess we'll see how well they fit on me. I'm worried they actually might be a bit long. I thought they were going to be a size 30 leg, but I'll try them on and we'll see what they look like. See if I can get the catch to go. There we go. So these are a slim fit. I will obviously aim to link to where they got them from. They do sell like a matching jacket to go with it because when I became aware of it, my friend Chris had made a video or a post about it, and he had the green. They had like a green set, like a dark green, which I'm personally not as keen on, but I know that there are people out there who love interesting different colors for things like this. But this pair is the black pair that they sell, so let's see if we can give you guys a slight better view. See, these are the ones I typically buy are all like a skinny fit, but these are supposed to be a slim fit. So, interesting. The material is a little different from the ones I normally get. These were a bit pricey, factoring in the fact I had to have them shipped. So, I'll put you guys back down. So yeah, I might make a full review of these at some point. But for now, I hope this was a nice little preview. I say I've never done an unwrapping slash unboxing video before, so this is new for me. So say thanks for watching, everyone, and I will try and make more videos. I have more pairs. I posted on Instagram a pair that I want to do a video on. There's more. There's pairs from last year that I want to make videos on. Just finding the time to get around to it, to be honest. But yeah, this pair seem very interesting. I say slim fit instead of a skinny fit. It's good if maybe your thighs are a little on the bigger side, or the legs in general. This might fit a little better because I know some of the skinny pairs might be a little bit too thin. This pair is actually impressive because it has almost like an actual grain to it, like actual real leather does, which is kind of interesting. I know not a lot of companies necessarily either do that or want to do that, but probably takes some work. But yeah, thankfully they fit, and they're actually not too long on my legs, which is interesting because I normally fit about a 30 leg. I'll try and show that off. But I say these actually come down to a decent amount of fat distance on my leg. But I'm not sure if it shows up even up on camera. I might have to take photographs of like the wood, the grain that you normally get with actual real leather. But these actually have it. I say I quite like this pair because I've been wanting a pair like this that are more dressy. But I say I posted about one previously that I was a bit disappointed in because it had really ugly back pockets. It was the flaps. I really do not like that design. Just personally, if you do, then that's great. I think these might have actual pockets in the back. I'm not sure. It just feels like there's a. I think they stitch it in to transport it, so it doesn't like break and damage the trousers. But I say, I might break those open if I feel the need. I don't tend to. I don't tend to use my back pockets very often if I can help it because I don't like anything bulky back there. And plus, I feel like it helps show off the assets, what little I have. But in general, it shows off the assets pretty well. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. This is pretty long just for an unboxing, but this might actually be equivalent to a review, but a review done on, like, first look, basically. Normally I have time to look them over and think about what I want to actually say, but say this makes an interesting change, and hopefully everyone enjoys watching. And I will hopefully be seeing you guys soon. Sooner rather than later. Thanks again for watching.